In the middle of the fire lookout is a device called the OSBORNE Fire Finder. I'll show you a very simplified version of how we use it to determine the location of a fire. When you see the smoke, you're going to turn the outer ring of the fire finder towards the direction of the smoke. This will enable us to determine the azimuth of the smoke. You will line that smoke up so it fits directly in the crosshairs of the fire finder. The crosshairs are literal horsehairs. So you're going to line it up so you have that smoke in the very center of the sight and of those crosshairs. Once you have that done, the number we're going to get from the fire finder is going to tell us the azimuth of the smoke, which is the precise direction it is from where you are standing. You will take this measurement in degrees and minutes. For this example, we'll just go straight degrees. To simplify this, we will call this one 286 degrees. The little notches are probably a bit hard to see in this video. When you're working in actual smoke, you will actually also include the minutes, so you'll get a more precise measurement of the direction the smoke is from where you're standing. A lot of people ask what happens if one of the window panes are in the way. Well, the fire finder is mounted on rails, so you can slide it back and forth, and often that does the trick. However, if you still can't see, you just pick the whole thing up and place it on the rails parallel to the ones you're using. In part 2, we'll talk about how you now move over to maps, where you will take your azimuth, your knowledge of the local area and the information on the maps, and combine all that information to find the distance the smoke is from where you're standing and an accurate location in order to complete a thorough smoke report, which we will then radio into dispatch. And all of this takes place in a span of less than 5 minutes generally.